Welcome to the Green Nest Wheatgrass video. We are all about premium microgreens, harvested for vitality and delivered for life. Our mission is to bring living nutrition to every urban kitchen. We believe that professional-grade wellness shouldn't be a luxury. Microgreens are the golden phase of plants, falling between a sprout and a baby green. They can have up to 40 times higher nutrient density than mature vegetables. Chapter 1 explores the wheatgrass story, the ancient power of Triticum aestivum. Wheatgrass, Triticum aestivum, has been a dietary staple since the 1930s. Green Nest utilizes hard red winter wheat for maximum sweetness and chlorophyll content. The growing journey begins with soaking and a blackout phase on days 1 and 2. Days 3 to 6 mark the green rush with photosynthesis. On days 7 to 12, it's the harvest window for maximum chlorophyll. Wheatgrass offers an earthy and sweet taste profile. The primary flavor is sweet, intense, and deeply grassy, with a secondary, mildly nutty and crisp vegetal finish. Chapter 2 dives into the nutrition and benefits of wheatgrass, the science of small. As a nutritional powerhouse, wheatgrass is rich in key micronutrients like vitamins A and C, iron, magnesium, and protein. It contains 70% chlorophyll, often called green blood. Compared to common greens, wheatgrass microgreens offer a maximum potency of 95% nutrient density, significantly higher than spinach or iceberg lettuce. Chlorophyll is known as liquid sun. Its chemical structure is remarkably similar to hemoglobin, making it a natural detoxifier, blood builder, and energy booster. Beyond the juice shot, wheatgrass offers culinary advantages like a visual punch with its neon green color and a crisp, vertical texture that enhances plating. Green Nest uses a greener way to grow, utilizing 90% less water than traditional farming. We use 0 pesticides and are 100% local, grown in the heart of the city. Chapter 3 explores the journey from farm to fork, covering culinary applications and Indian fusion. There are many ways to enjoy your greens, including the pure shot, smoothie booster, salad base, avocado toast, green soup, or as a sandwich fill. First, for Indian fusion, try wheatgrass raita. It's a cooling, nutritious twist for your biryani or parathas. Remember not to cook the microgreens. Fold them in fresh to preserve the delicate vitamins. Next is the poha power-up. Elevate your poha by topping it with a generous handful of wheatgrass. The heat from the poha releases a wonderful aroma without destroying the nutrients. For green chutney 2.0, blend wheatgrass with your traditional mint and coriander chutney. Use a ratio of 1 part wheatgrass to 2 parts herbs for a smoother, more vibrant green chutney that stays fresh longer. For smoothies and juices, avoid heat by adding ice cubes to high-speed blenders. Best pairings include green apple, ginger, lemon, and pineapple. Consume within 20 minutes for maximum enzyme activity. Chapter 4 focuses on storage and handling, protecting the freshness of your wheatgrass. To handle with care, do not wash the wheatgrass until the moment you use it. Store it at 1 to 4 degrees Celsius in the vegetable crisper. Use our Green Nest ventilated clamshells for a breathable box. Because our wheatgrass is harvested just hours before delivery, you get the maximum possible shelf life. The optimal freshness window is 7 to 10 days. Chapter 5 covers the Green Nest standard, focusing on quality assurance and branding. We promise uncompromising quality by adhering to internal standards, organic practices with no synthetic chemicals, using non-GMO seeds, and maintaining high hygiene with sterilized tools. Our modern and minimal branding reflects the premium nature of the product. Our packaging is BPA-free, recyclable, and features a clean informational label with a QR code for recipe tips. We address some top frequently asked questions. Yes, we use organic practices. A light rinse is fine before use. Yes, kids can eat it in small amounts. We harvest and deliver twice a week. Our grass is gluten-free, as only the grain contains gluten. We offer weekly and monthly subscription plans. To order, simply send the word GREEN to 7,972,475,135 on WhatsApp. We accept GPay, PhonePe, and bank transfer.